Hi, my name is Uzoma Anele and I'm the creator and director of the G.R.O.W Pelvic Cancer Survivorship Program here at UofL. The G.R.O.W program is the first and only comprehensive pelvic cancer survivorship program of its kind in the state of Kentucky. This program was developed out of a special need that we discovered as we looked closely at the care that patients receive in the treatment of pelvic cancers like prostate and bladder cancer. We realized that patients often underwent excellent, life-saving cancer treatments, but traditionally there was less of a focus on quality of life after receiving treatments. So we worked to develop a comprehensive program with a multidisciplinary team made up of oncologists, surgeons, physical therapists, social workers, and others whose primary goal is to address the side effects that can commonly occur after certain cancer treatments like surgery. For example, after prostate cancer treatment, men can develop issues with urine leakage or not being able to achieve erections. Our goal is to make sure patients are aware of these potential side effects and understand that they don't always occur, but can sometimes happen. And if they do happen, you won't be alone and won't be caught by surprise. We're prepared and we've got a structured plan and program to help address these issues in a stepwise manner. The acronym for the program, G.R.O.W, really represents the healthy, prosperous development that we want to see in all of our patients on the road to recovery. The benefits of the G.R.O.W survivorship program is that it can be applied to different cancers in the pelvis. The first step stands for GUARD. For instance, in prostate cancer, we want to protect the level of sexual and urinary function that a man has prior to surgery. We've established a special combination of oral medications and exercises that will help to preserve tissue health and strengthen the pelvic floor as recovery occurs. The next step is restore. Because the recovery process may take some time, we utilize several strategies and techniques, including physical therapy, which can assist in performance while natural function returns. Now, there are some instances where natural function may not completely recover to your satisfaction. That's where we move to our next step, overcome. We want you to be triumphant in your journey to recovery from the side effects that may come along with cancer treatment. At this stage, we offer several outpatient procedures that can help many men regain their full sexual and urinary function. Our final step is wellness, but wellness is not really a final step. It's ongoing throughout this journey. We believe in treating your entire being, including your mind and your spirit. Through the Soar On program and the Brown Cancer Center, you'll have access to many different resources, including art, music and massage therapy, sexual health counseling, dietitians, chaplains, and so much more. Through these steps in the G.R.O.W recovery program, you can have the best possible chance at your desired quality of life after pelvic surgery. We don't just want to help save your life by treating your cancer. We want to help also save your quality of life afterwards. We believe that through this program, you can defeat your cancer and grow.